Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub Wiki. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is head on over to github.com and sign into your account or create a new account. Once you've done that, you'll see you're logged in on the top far right hand corner. So you'll see your username. On the left, it's going to say new. Go ahead and click onto new. And now you want to go ahead and create a repository. So give that a name and then click on create repository. Now once you've created that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And now on the top of the page, we've got code, issues, etc. Now we've got wiki. So we can go ahead and click on create the first page. So wikis provide a place in your repository to lay out the roadmap of your project, show the current status and document software better together. So go ahead and click on create the first page. Now create the page. So put a title in and then give it a description here. And also GitHub Wiki supports markdown formatting, and you can add headings, lists, links, images and code blocks. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on save page. From there you can also create multiple pages, use sidebar and footer to organize navigations and all that stuff too.